Hi, I'm Anya, a BBA student specializing in digital marketing and artificial intelligence at Lovely Professional University. This presentation is a part of my project Decoding the Judgment, and today I will be sharing a brief analysis of the CCI probe into Swiggy and Zomato over the use of dark patterns. In today's digital first world, app design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about influence. This case revolves around how Swiggy and Zomato, two of India's biggest food delivery platforms, were accused of using manipulative design tactics to nudge user decisions. It's a crucial moment for consumer rights and digital ethics. In early 2025, the Competition Commission of India launched an investigation into Swiggy and Zomato. Consumer groups had raised concerns about hidden charges, pre-selected tips, and misleading discount displays. These patterns, though subtle, were said to limit user choice and transparency. Dark patterns are user interface tricks designed to mislead or manipulate users. Examples include false urgency, pre-ticked options, or making the cancel button hard to find. They can lead users to make choices they didn't fully intend, often benefiting the platform. This case ties into both consumer protection and competition laws in India. It tests whether deceptive design can amount to unfair trade practice and whether platforms are abusing their dominant market position. The legal outcome could set new benchmarks for digital accountability. Swiggy and Zomato have denied any wrongdoing. They argue that all optional charges are visible and can be removed by the user. However, critics say that consent, hidden in complex designs, is not truly informed consent. The Competition Commission of India is now examining app data, user behavior, and design logic to understand how these patterns function. They are also exploring whether these tactics affect fair competition and market transparency. This reflects a new phase where interface design is being seen as legally and ethically significant. This case could influence the way all digital platforms operate. If the companies are found guilty, we may see stricter UI or UX regulations, clearer user choices, and an industry wide push toward ethical design. It's a warning that convenience cannot come at the cost of consumer rights. Social media played a huge role in amplifying this issue. Users shared screenshots of auto-edit charges and hashtags like Dark Patterns India started trending. The media spotlight brought more public attention to how widespread and unnoticed these manipulative designs really are. The Swiggy and the Zomato probe is more than just a legal case. It's about protecting user choice in a digital world. This case reminds us that ethics in technology really matters. Thank you for your time and attention.